The petition is motivated. The petitioner has not bothered to go after the author of offensive material. How are we responsible is what Google and Facebook want to know. This after the court has told them in the past that be careful about the content on your sites or else.
It's a cyber war now being fought in the courts. Digging their heels in, internet companies Google and Facebook have once again told the Delhi High Court that they have no control over the content posted on their websites by the users, and it's virtually impossible for them to filter it. Google India and Facebook India also claim they are only subsidiaries of the parent companies and cannot be held liable for their practices. Clearly not impressed with that argument, the High Court judge asked their lawyers, "Are you not a beneficiary of Google Inc.'s business? If some illegal activity is being carried out by a tenant and the landlord is a beneficiary, then how can the landlord not know what's happening?" Just last week, the same judge had issued a stern warning to these companies that if they fail to devise a regulatory mechanism to filter out objectionable content, their websites could be blocked in India the way they are in China. 21 internet companies were recently issued summons by a lower court in Delhi following a complaint by a journalist demanding action against them for objectionable content on their sites. There are different views on the issue of internet censorship. Some legal experts feel the internet companies cannot escape accountability.
The website owners have to quickly realize that if they have to operate in India, they will have to comply with Indian law.
But the beleaguered companies have also found support from some quarters.
You would prosecute the newspaper for publishing illegally actionable material, but you would not prosecute the postal service. Similarly, you can prosecute the person who puts up a hate speech or criminal or obscene or defamatory posting on his or her site, but you cannot, it seems to me, prosecute all of Facebook or all of Google.
While the stand of Google and Facebook on the contentious issue remains unchanged, given the stern view taken by both the trial court and the Delhi High Court, and the government having already given its nod for their prosecution, it seems for these internet giants, the road ahead could be a bumpy one. With Bureau Inputs, in New Delhi, Neha Khanna for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.